What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, I have something cool for your kids' room, you guys, or maybe your own game room. Here we go. Going to go ahead and do the unboxing on this. They actually give you a chain hook with this. This is a, well, you probably seen the thumbnail already, so you already know what it is. All right, so it's blue. You have your colored buttons right there. It is USB powered. All right, you guys, I just plugged it into the wall. And we are going to go ahead and hit the button. So it's 3 buttons on here. Plus, you have a minus, and then you have the power button. So let's hit the power button. Woo! That thing is bright. You can dim it. So the light is still on. It may not look like it's on, but the light is still on, you guys. Or you can leave it up to its max brightness. Going back down, I'm gonna hit power again, and it powers off. It's that simple, you guys. It's not too much to this. Let me see. There's no flashing or anything. I'm holding the power button down, and it's not flashing or nothing. It's regular, you guys. Nothing is going on. So you have your maximum and you have your minimum. So the minimum actually look good on camera, but if you put on maximum, it looks really bright. Let me see. Oh yeah. So if you look at it even in person, it's very bright. So yeah, that's it. You can mount this on your wall. They actually have 2 holes right here. So they have a hole, so you could put your hook right through this hole. Oh, well, that's the wrong way. You gotta go the opposite way. So you want to put your hook in forward, so that way you can use the adhesion. Oh no, I had it the right way. Your hook goes in the back. Now you can use your adhesion and stick it right onto the wall. They have chains right here, so maybe this may be used by screws. Oh, the light turned off. Did I hit the button? I might have hit the button by accident. My leg. All right, so you got 2 hooks right here. Just in case you want to use a screw, you can hook, and there you go. You can hang it up by a chain. So whatever way looks better to you. Some people might like the adhesion, but remember, sometimes adhesion is hard to get off on your drywall. You might peel it, your paint off. So, or just make sure you just have extra paint and repaint where you pull it off from. And that will be it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.